Legends of Learning presents the Toy Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about making tables of equivalent ratios fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, the Toy Factory is making brand new toys for everyone, and you are tasked with sending the right amount of materials to the machine. In this game, by Zap Math, students will use ratios and rates used to reason and solve real-world and mathematical problems. The Toy Factory is making brand new toys, and your task is to send the correct amount of materials to the toy making machine. Your goal is to select the correct numbers from the list below on screen to complete the ratios. Click on the number and drag and drop it onto the correct position on the machine. Your knowledge of ratios will be put to the test. Complete all the levels in order to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.